I pause here. This is a follow-up video to my last video where I showed you how to find a profitable niche on Amazon KDP in the coloring book market. This time, I want to expand on that, go over some things, some important things. So basically, you want to give people what they want. Okay, it's really important. You want to give people what they want always. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. So one of the ways I like to do this is to find the most popular of. So in this video here, you see me talking about the most popular dog breeds out there. I'm going to do the same thing. This time, look over some other popular dog breeds and look after these markets and see if I can find some niches there. So last time we did French Bulldog. We can go to, I don't know, this one here. Was that Dachshund? It's a German breed, I imagine. And I also, just to make things easier on myself, I asked ChatGPT. You can use free ChatGPT for this, or just Google Gemini. You can use Grok, whatever you want, whatever free AI you have at your disposal, and ask it to give you a list. I have a coloring book in front of this word. Dachshund, is that the correct pronunciation of that? You can see right here. Let me blow that up for you right here. It has under 300 results. Okay, and there's a lot of people buying. Okay. This one has a bad review. These have really good reviews, okay? And, these people are making sales almost on a daily basis, okay? Really cool stuff. This one has here under 40,000 BSR, selling a lot. This person selling a lot. And these guys here that have a little bit over 400,000, they're selling quite a lot as well. Not as much as this one here, okay? The lower the number, the higher the sell, okay? Really important to remember that when it comes to Amazon BSR. Okay, that means bestsellers rank. Okay, so as you can see, this is a hot market. People want this book. I'm telling you exactly what they want. So how do you go about creating a book like this? Well, first off, I have my masterclass down below. If you sign up here, you can get access to this. Also, I'm going to give you more tutorials and free guides on how to earn with coloring books on Amazon KDP. Also, I want to show real quick one of the most important aspects of earning online on Amazon KDP is your book cover. Really important. Your book cover is one of the most, if not the most important thing. Yeah, your interior is important too. I'm using Nurie Creator right here to create my book cover. Very simple to do. I'm going to keep it at 8.5 by 11 inch. Make sure you select the correct trim size. I'm going to go down here to cover title. I'm going to put in Dachshund coloring book, and I'm going to go to the AI description section and put in Dachshund like that, and I'm going to click generate front cover just like that, and in a matter of minutes, Nurie Creator will create my book cover for me. Okay, and here we go. Dachshund coloring book. Okay, we got a cute little Dachshund here. I can do this again until my nose bleeds. I can create as many book covers as I want. Of course, in the back section here, you want to add text, something simple. You can adjust the font. You can put something in, like, I like to put this in chill, relax, and color. All right, that's what people are buying your book for. They want to chill, relax, and color. Add some images, of course. I don't have any Dachshund images right here. I'm going to add this one from my last video. Okay, put it right here, and so that people understand what my book's about. Of course, this is not a Dachshund, it's a French Bulldog, but just for example's sake, you're going to click generate PDF just like that, and then Nurie Creator will create your PDF for you. And when you go out to actually list your book on Amazon KDP, you add this to your listing. Okay, of course, with your interior, everything Nurie Creator can do for you. Okay, if I exit out of this, you'll see that I'm taken to the interior section where I can create an interior. I'm gonna let's select freestyle for now, and I'm gonna put in Dachshund, and I'm gonna put in beta mode. Click generate, and it's going to generate for me a really cool some coloring book images for my Dachshund coloring book, as you can see right here.